Lassie here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am on a journey in 2023 to clean up my diet by 75%, cut out processed foods, and focus on an anti-inflammatory diet for my health. And in order to meet those goals, I am documenting the journey here on YouTube for accountability. I've been posting what I eat in a day videos about once a week, give or take. It helps to keep me on track. It helps me to motivate some of you who are doing similar lifestyle changes, and so that's what today's video is. I've got another what I eat in a day for you. Super simple, super short. I tried to keep it very concise, just show you the types of things that I'm eating. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Your support means the world to me. Let's get into what I ate today. Good morning, friends. Welcome to my kitchen. I just put together my first meal of the day, I guess. Not really, but I thought I would do a what I eat in a day video. Haven't done one of these in about a week, and filming these videos definitely helps hold me accountable. So I have a big tumbler of water here. I love these cups from Walmart. I think they're so pretty and fun, and they just help me to stay hydrated. So I've got this pink one filled up with some ice water that I'm going to be drinking along with my coffee for the day. So this is an espresso capsule, one of the Nespresso Vertuo ones. It's Melozio, which is just a 7.77 fluid ounce cup, and I've added some organic half and half to it, which is how I've been drinking my coffee lately, trying to cut back on the coffee mate creamer. So I feel like that's a good choice for my body and will help with the inflammation. So this is where I am starting my day: coffee, water, and I will check in with you when I have some real food. Okay, so I am finally having my first meal of the day, and it's actually a little bit early for me. It's 11:30, but I was hungry, and that's when I eat, when I get hungry. So for breakfast this morning, I decided to switch it up and do something a little bit different. I have been eating pretty much nothing but Greek yogurt and berries, which I showed in a previous what I eat in a day video, but I thought it'd be fun to mix it up today. So I made myself a little breakfast sandwich. This is one of the Dave's Killer Bread Epic Everything bagels. I just toasted this up and spread it with a little bit of this Organic Valley cream cheese, just a little, and then I added some Nature, Oscar Mayer Natural, I almost said Nature Valley, that's not right, the Oscar Mayer Natural slow roasted turkey breast to make a little breakfast sandwich. And then on the side I have an orange that I just sliced up, and that's gonna be my first meal of the day. Okay, so I just got home from the dentist. It is 3:45, so we cruised right on past the time where I typically have a snack. But I'm going to go ahead and have it anyway. I'm starving. So I've got some baby carrots and some baby cucumber. And this has been like my go-to veggie mix. Also broccoli, but I ate all the broccoli, so no broccoli today. And then I've got a string cheese. This is one of the organic string cheeses from Aldi. And then I have one of these little chomplings. This is what the package looks like. It's like a mini chomps beef stick. Zero sugar, grass-fed, Whole30 approved little beef stick, really delicious, and they have cute little sayings. So this one says, "Chomp the M off the impossible." Cute. Alright, snack time. I'm gonna go enjoy this. Also, I'm having a little bit of an iced latte. I made Austin sort of like an at-home frappuccino in our blender. This isn't exactly clean. It's got whole milk in it, espresso, and then it does have a couple of squirts of the, what is it called, the Tirani syrup, but I put like 2 or 3 pumps in the whole thing, and it made a whole blender full, so it's negligible. This is what was left in the bottom of the blender when Austin finished with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and have this so as not to waste it, and for a little bit of a pick-me-up. Alright, my friends, I am sitting down to this delicious looking dinner that my husband made. He stood out in the rain to smoke me some chicken, and I could not be happier. Sorry that he got wet, but oh my gosh, this looks so good. And he volunteered to do it, guys. I didn't force him. Anyway, we have the smoked chicken breast, which he seasoned with...
It's a McCormick Grill Mates, I think it's Memphis Pit Barbecue.
Yeah, it's like a barbecue rub. Stuff is so good. Oh, here it is. Just a little bit of that. And on the side of that chicken, we've got some butternut squash that he mashed up with some butter, salt, and pepper. And we've got some super crispy, delicious Brussels sprouts. This is how we like them. Oh, so good. I wish you guys could smell this because it smells incredible. The chicken, with it being smoked, is so juicy and so delicious. So I'm gonna go eat this before it gets cold. But that is dinner for tonight. Alright, my friends, that is it. As you can see, I'm not counting calories. I'm not limiting portions. Right now, I'm just trying to make a better choice when it comes to my meals. It's not always going to be the best choice. Like I said in the intro, I'm trying to clean up my diet by 75%. So, is it going to be perfect? No. But is it going to be better than it was before? Yes. I'm eating a lot less processed foods. We're eating out significantly less. I'm feeling better. And that's great. So if you are trying to clean up your diet as well, whether it's because you're trying to lose weight or you're trying, like me, to you know, get a little bit healthier, keep in mind that you don't have to be 100% perfect. You can make a good choice, or you can make a better choice. You can make the best choice, but as long as you're doing better than you were before, you're winning. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos like this every week on my channel. Healthy grocery hauls, what I eat in a day. Also fun financial videos, budget videos, day in the life stuff. I'd love to have you as part of the fam. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.